model, 2015 Ford Transit Connect 200 limited body, white, panel van mileage, 50,368 MOT, the 17th of January 2024 engine, 1,560 cc 1.6 TDCI 115 PSC transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, 2 keys, part service history, air con, electric windows, parking sensors, reversing camera, cruise control EU status, Euro 5 HPI.